Good morning to everyone. My name is Gaurav Kumar. I am from Electronics Department, 6th Electronics 6th AM, and today my topic is Bluetooth technology. But a Bluetooth designed to be used to connect both mobile devices and peripherals that currently require a wire, simplify communication between devices and the internet, data synchronizations, USB wires, short range wires, wireless radio range of 10 meter, and advantages: wireless, no cables, no setup needed, low power consumption, industrial wide spot. And disadvantage: short ranges 10 meter, smart throughput rates, data rate 1.0 mbps, mostly for personal use, fairly expensive. How does it work? Bluetooth is a standard for tiny radio frequency chip that can be plugged into your devices. These chips were designed to take all of the information that your wires normally send and transmit it at a special frequency or to something called a receiver. Bluetooth chip. Each channel is Bluetooth specifications. Each channel is divided into time slots 625 microseconds long. Packets and packets can be up to 5 times slots wide. Data in a packet can be up to 2745 bits in length. Bluetooth frequency has been set aside by the ISM for exclusive use of Bluetooth wireless products. Communication communicates on the 2.45 GHz frequency. Avoiding interference hopping. Bluetooth uses a technique called spread spectrum frequency hopping. In this technique, a device will use 79 individuals randomly chosen frequency within a design range. What is the name? What's with the name? King Harvard Bluetooth. 10th century Viking king in Denmark, credited for hunting the country and establish Christianity. Viking states included Norway and Sweden. What is the connection to region? Who started Bluetooth? Recent Mobile Communication Bluetooth Special Industrial Group SIG. 5 founding members: Precision, Nokia, IBM, Intel, and Toshiba. Promoter and group: 3Com, Lucent, Microsoft, Motorola. Now over 100 900 members. Sorry, 1900 member. Bluetooth devices. Bluetooth will soon be enabled in everything from telephone, headset, computers, cameras, PDAs, cars, etc. Bluetooth products. Bluetooth enable PC card. Bluetooth enable PDA. Bluetooth enable call phone. Bluetooth enable headset. Target markets: telecommunication, networking, communicating, industrial, medical, automotive. Modeling Bluetooth's feature. The Bluetooth of the technology becoming A standard is likely with a strong industry pushing be- behind its success is invertible. Bluetooth will soon be known as Bluetooth 1.2 as the typing of the developed the product to better fulfill the needs of consumers. Thank you.